Alright, so what am I going to do for the first year?
Depreciation.
Yes. And will that change from straight line?
No, not the
No,
first
it'll be the same for the first year. Okay, so I take the 500,000 and I divide that by 5. Depreciation is
100,000.
100,000. Okay, how much accumulated depreciation will I have at the end of year 1?
100,000.
100,000. Right, so if I know what the cost is and I know what the accumulated is, how do I get the carrying value?
500 minus 100,000.
Yes, cost minus accumulated depreciation. Okay, so this column minus that column will give me 400,000.
Okay.
Okay, now I need to work out this, the depreciation. Okay, and the depreciation there is going to be calculated on what amount?
From the 400,000.
Exactly.
Divided by the 4.
Correct. Okay, why? This is diminishing balance.